What's up everyone? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be going over Adobe Spark brands. Using brands in Adobe Spark is a great way to get a head start on graphics you are creating, as this will automatically use your brand logos, colors, and fonts. We will go over adding multiple brands if you wish, changing colors, adjusting multiple themes, and much more. Let's get started. Make sure you are in Adobe Spark. If you're new to Spark, click the video in the top right corner now to watch the beginner's guide to Adobe Spark. On the left menu, there will be an icon that says brands. Click this. This is where you can begin adding brands to posts. The left side will display logo, color, and fonts. The middle of the screen will display different graphics and automatically change when we start modifying these items. Let's first start by adding in a brand logo for this video. I will just use the logo related to my YouTube channel. You'll see this automatically changes the graphics in the middle, as well as adding colors related to this logo. In color, you can add additional colors for graphics if you wish. Click the pencil icon and search for colors that you want to add. Under this is fonts. Here you can choose your own fonts or choose fonts that Adobe has already populated. If you choose to use your own fonts, make sure you own the license, as it will ask for this in a pop-up window. I will select Museo Sans Rounded 500. I probably butchered how to pronounce that, but that's the font name I'm going to choose. Under this, press Next. You will now have the option to add your brand name. I will add in Digital Quick Tips and press Create Brand. You will now be asked to add in another brand. Do this now if you want. This is your brand dashboard. In here you can add different logos here if you have different variations of this, including colors and other shapes. Press the plus symbol and upload another logo. You can also add in more colors in case you forgot in the previous section. You also have the ability to add in additional fonts. Adobe uses AI to match in the body text as shown here. Follow the same process we did earlier if you want to add in more fonts. Press the plus icon, scroll down until you see another font you like, and click each one. On the top menu, you can also invite other people to this brand page. Click Invite People, and add in the email addresses associated with each person. This can be great to collaborate with other people who work on this brand with you. Slightly lower will be themes. In here you can adjust themes for Spark page and videos. Spark will automatically give you options to change from light, medium, and dark themes. Next to each section, you can also add in your own. Press the plus icon to launch the theme editor. In here you can change a ton of information to customize your theme. Filter through each one to make it your own. Once you're completed, change the name of this theme to something different from the other themes that were generated from Adobe. I'll just change this to Custom Theme. Press Done. You can see our theme has been added to this list. Under themes are branded surfaces. In here you can change where you wish to have your brand logos and colors displayed. Click the outro section. Here you can adjust your call to action where you wish to take people to. Change the text "Visit our website" to your actual website address. Click on Message and change this accordingly. Let's head back into the Spark dashboard. Here's another quick tip. The top section where it displays other posts and sizes to add, there's a section called Branded. Click on this. If you create a lot of posts in various social platforms, it can be a great head start to have all of the basics already set up. For example, let's click on YouTube thumbnail and press Next. Once loaded, you can see our brand logo is automatically applied to the bottom right corner of this graphic. If you have more logos, you can click on logos on the right side to change this. If you have a standard set of items you add, like a background and text, you can add them and replace them when you are uploading a new graphic. Click on the center and press Choose Image on the right side. Select Find Free Photos. Add this photo as the background placeholder. Next, add in the text. Click on the text on the left menu and press Add Text. Let's quickly add in a shape layer and a shadow. This is obviously very basic, but now you can quickly come in here, change the background and text very quickly and easily. This will automatically be saved as a template. This saves a ton of time on redundant social media posts to make sure you can push as much content out as possible. That's it for today's quick video. Don't forget to share this video if you found this helpful. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss another video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.